macrame.com. My name is Nicole. In this channel, you will find everything you need to know to begin macrame, whether you are looking to do it as a hobby or you want to get to a more advanced level so that you can create your own designs. You will find everything macrame right here. So before we jump into today's tutorial, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of background on why I started Bochiknot. So the idea obviously centered around my passion for macrame, and also the idea that I can incorporate macrame into everyday life, such as household items or the accessories and the jewelry that we wear can be made from macrame. My goal is to show you guys unique patterns and give you guys some ideas on different items that you can make, as well as give you guys tips and tricks on how to improve your macrame skills. With that said, and jumping into today's tutorial, we'll be making a macrame flower coaster. These are super easy to macrame and make really great gifts. The great thing about this pattern is that if you keep adding onto it, you can make a bigger flower mat that you can use as a pot holder or a table mat. If you are interested in knowing how to add onto this pattern, that will be up on my Patreon site with the link of that in the video description below. If you guys have any household items or accessories and jewelry that you want to learn how to make, or any designs that you are curious about, let me know in the comment section below and I'll try to do up a video for you guys. With that, let's begin. We'll start by taking one strand of cord 8 and we will tape it down horizontally. Then taking one of the other strands of cord A, we will make a double half hitch knot onto the horizontal cord, leaving about 2 inches at the end of the horizontal cord as well as 2 inches at the top of this vertical cord. Now do the same thing with the third and last cord A. Taking the horizontal cord, we will fold it under and we will use the vertical cords to make 2 more double half hitch knots right under the ones that we just made. Once you're done, take the tape off. Now taking cord B, which is the 50 centimeter long cord, we're going to use that as the filler cord for the coaster. And so what you want to do is take that cord, wrap it around a few times until you get to a round circle of about 2.5 centimeters in diameter in the middle. The outer diameter is approximately 4 centimeters. What we're going to do now is we're going to take that working cord and we will Attach it onto the filler ring using a lark's head knot. You have now completed one section of the coaster. We're going to make another section together. And so taking the horizontal anchor cord, we will make another row of double half hitch knots with the 2 vertical cords. Then fold the anchor cord down and make 2 double half hitch knots again, and then place that anchor cord onto the filler ring with a lark's head knot. And now you've finished making 2 sections or 2 petals of the flower coaster. We will be making a total of 11 petals. So go ahead and finish that off. On the last petal, don't place the cord onto the filler ring in the middle. Leave it hanging beside the first petal that we made. Once you're done and you filled up the whole filler circle in the middle, ensuring that you have 11 petals, we will attach that anchor cord that we used to make the petals one more time in the middle. So the last step is to hide all the end cords. And we will do that by turning the coaster upside down and then tucking each cord one by one into the coaster using a crochet hook. Before we do that, cut the cords so that they're all the same length, about 2 to 3 inches remaining at the ends. Starting with the cord on the top right, we are going to tuck that cord in the middle circle where the lark's head knots are. And then once that's done, we will do the same thing with the top left cord onto the right side. Keep tucking the cord through until you've tucked it under about 4 to 5 lark's head knots, and then cut the ends off. Now taking the second cord on each side, we will tuck those cords into the middle row, which is the first row of the reverse clove hitches. Lastly, the final row, we will tuck it in to the last row of reverse clove hitches. Doing the same thing with the other ones and tucking it through a few of the loops and then cutting the ends. You guys have now finished the flower coaster. If you want to know how to add on to it, check out my Patreon site at Bochiknot. I'll see you guys next time.